Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinoyelum. If it is your first time coming across this channel, my name is Chinoyelum, aka Simply Noni, and in this channel we'll talk about beauty, lifestyle, fashion, natural hair, DIYs, and a lot of other things. If you like the sound of that, please consider subscribing, click notification bell so you get notified when I upload videos. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use red palm oil for hot oil treatment. If you're experiencing dryness in your hair and your hair is very dry, like your scalp, you can feel like your hair is really dry and weak and dull, this hot treatment is going to revive your hair. And how I use red palm oil on my hair. Please keep watching. So you just start by pouring the red palm oil in a bowl or a glass jar, whatever that you know that is heat resistant. Then you pour hot water in a bowl and place the bowl inside the other bowl so that it will warm. Once it warms up, you notice that the oil will be looking clear or translucent, so you know that it is ready for application. But you stir it occasionally so that it will help to melt. You can see the way it is looking. It's lighter now, it's no longer thick. So you can see how my hair is. It is very dry. It looks like flesh, and it's lacking moisture. So we'll try to put moisture back into this hair by using this palm oil hot oil treatment. What I did was to sprinkle my hair with warm water just to help open up my hair to be able to absorb the oil and allow it to do its work on my hair. So once I sprinkle water on my hair, I'll apply this treatment directly on my hair. I don't need to do anything. I usually do it before I wash my hair, so that once I finish, I will now wash my hair. So it acts as a pre-poo for me and also hot oil treatment. You apply it, making sure you coat every strand of your hair with this treatment, starting from the root to the tip, concentrating on the tip and your scalp, because if your hair is dry and your scalp is dry, this will help put back moisture into your hair and give it life. So palm oil has a lot of benefits to our body and to our hair. Palm oil is a natural moisturizer, and it has high fat content that acts as a deep conditioner, which is, you can use this as a deep conditioner, you can use it as a pre-poo or as hot oil treatment. The high saturated lipid content of red palm oil penetrates the hair follicles and locks moisture in your strand, which makes the hair soft in the process and gives protection against dust and harsh chemicals and environmental pollution. Palm oil is rich in vitamin A and E, which are antioxidants that fight free radicals that causes the destruction of the cells of your skin and scalp. So palm oil does a lot of wonders to your hair. Because of the rich in vitamins, it will keep your hair moisturized. It will help to lock in moisture in your hair. It will revive dry dull hair, and it makes your hair shiny and moisturized, and it helps in detangling. You can use it to detangle your hair. Your hair will be very soft as you're doing it. You don't need to fear breakage because your hair is moisturized, and the elasticity of your hair will be on a balanced level. So palm oil is good for your natural hair. I use it a lot in my hair. Initially, when I started using it, it was because of the first day I tried it. You can use it on your hair and for hot oil treatments, for pre-poo, or as a deep conditioner. So you can see how I'm applying it. I'll sprinkle water, apply the oil from the root to tips. Then after that, I'll put the oil in between, apply it on my hand, glide it together, and then use it to make sure it gets to my scalp, so that I will, in the process, massage my scalp for flow of blood, for proper circulation of blood. That is how I'm doing it. So when I I just apply it like that, making sure that the hair gets enough of the oil. I'm not pitying it at all. I'm just doing it, making sure the hair is well saturated with the oil. I don't want to manage the oil. So this oil is good for your hair, and I'm sure you will like it if you try this oil. So let's enjoy how I do the rest of it. After application, as you're applying it, you even be noticing that the your hair is looking moisturized. After application, you have to use heat on the hair directly, indirect heat by using a steaming cap or wearing a nylon bag on your hair, and they carry it for like 30 to 40 minutes for it to steam, and use the heat from your body to steam and let the hair absorb all those vitamins and minerals from the mask. So after like 40 minutes, I will wash my hair with my DIY shampoo, which I will leave the link in the description box. My DIY shampoo, my African black soap DIY shampoo. I'll use it to wash my hair, then after which I will come and show you the results of this palm oil. That's the end, guy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Palm oil is used for so many things in Africa, especially Nigeria. We use it in soup making. They use it in so many things, and it's a very, in fact, I even like, sometimes I take it and I lick it because I like the taste of it. So I'm so happy that my hair could also enjoy the benefit and the sweetness of palm oil. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do, and leave a comment in the comment section, and share this video with your friends so that they will be able, more people will get to see this video. And I love you guys. I will see you in my next one. Thank you so